Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. Lately, you've probably seen this new name popping up literally everywhere, on your social feeds, in your mobile apps. The name is Grok. We've all heard the hype, but what exactly is it? Well, today we are going to cut through all that noise and figure out exactly what makes this tool tick. And we're going to do the whole shebang in under 5 minutes. So let's start the clock.
So with the AI space being just incredibly crowded right now, it's totally fair to wonder where Grok actually fits into the picture. I mean, what is it? Is it a standard chatbot, a search engine, maybe a coding assistant, or even an image creator? Honestly, it is so easy to get confused when every new tool claims to do a little bit of everything.
Well, the short answer is this. Grok is a conversational generative AI assistant, and it was developed by xAI. Basically, it's designed to be this super versatile tool that handles your requests naturally. So whether you're typing out a question or just speaking to it, it gets what you mean without bogging you down in all that heavy technical jargon.
Actually, let's clear something up real quick, because it really helps to separate the creator from the creation here. Think of xAI like a massive building, right? It's the underlying infrastructure and this whole complex family of models. Grok, on the other hand, is just the front door. It's the conversational product that you and I actually interact with to get to all that immense computing power inside.
Okay, so how does it actually work once you walk through that front door? It basically relies on a really simple flow: ask, reason, and create. See, like other modern AI, it doesn't just, pull up a stored file from a database. Instead, it takes your specific prompt, it reasons through the context using these massive data patterns, and then it generates a completely unique response for you right there in real time.
And this real-time generation, it is absolutely changing how we do our everyday work. Like, imagine a business pro who needs to rapid-fire research some industry trends right before a big meeting. Or a developer who jumps in to decipher this massive, messy code base without pulling their hair out. Even a creator can use it to just brainstorm visual concepts on the fly. It totally adapts to whatever task you throw at it.
But listen, here is an absolutely critical mindset shift you need to make. The first output is always a draft. Always. You should never, ever treat that initial response as a polished masterpiece. You got to examine it, push back, and refine it through follow-up prompts. Think of it more like an interactive collaboration with a coworker, not some magic vending machine.
Now, what makes Grok a real game changer is how it brings all these different modes together into one seamless conversation. Like, you can discuss a complex idea, ask it to pull the most up-to-date real-time context from the web, and then have it generate a relevant image based on that exact data. And you do all of that without ever leaving the chat. It's a total powerhouse for integrated problem-solving.
But, and this is a big but, all that integrated power brings up a massive caveat. Does having real-time access actually guarantee the truth? Definitely not. Grok can pull current events, sure, but it can still misunderstand you, or, and this is so important to remember, it can produce a very confident but entirely inaccurate answer. Up to the second access absolutely does not mean it's 100% correct.
And that is exactly why you need some crucial safeguards in place. You literally cannot blindly trust the machine. Any important medical, legal, or financial decisions, those require your independent verification. Plus, in a business setting, you've always got to protect sensitive data and follow your organization's policies. The accountability always rests with you.
So, at the end of the day, Grok is an assistant. It is not some unquestionable authority. It's wildly powerful for accelerating your workflow and connecting the dots faster than ever before. But your human judgment, your critical thinking and oversight, those remain utterly irreplaceable. Use it to speed up the journey, for sure, but you have to be the one steering the ship.
All right, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this simple framework. Understand AI, apply AI, lead with AI. Mastering tools like Grok while keeping your critical judgment sharp is exactly how you thrive right now. So here is a final thought to chew on today. Now that you know exactly what Grok is capable of, what is the very first draft you're going to ask it to generate for you?